Morning everybody, and welcome back to Korn Garage, where it's raining like catch a can in the springtime. Today I want to talk to you about learning, I think, is what I figured out. I learned something last night that I'd never heard before. It's called doom scrolling, and I didn't know what it was, and maybe you do, maybe you don't, but what I can say is that I can be convicted of doing such a thing. I sit and I look at what's going on in the world, watch the news, look for information, try and figure out what's going on in this country, trying to get an understanding about where we are, where things are going, and get caught up in the doom, trying to figure out where I should be, what I should do. But that's what I want to talk to you about. Is I want to encourage you to be positive about whatever it is in your life. Now, I can get all caught up in all the doom and gloom just as much as the next guy, but at some point I know when to turn it off and to focus on my future. All of this stuff that's going on now, or that has gone on, is all in your past. The best thing you could do is focus on your future. People are people, have been for 10,000 years, and that's not going to change. The only thing that can change is you. Decide to make a change for the positive in your life. Be encouraged by the opportunities that come before you and take advantage of them. So that's my message for you today, is to be positive and look forward. And with that, we're going to dismantle our Subaru today and get into what is or isn't wrong besides the two head gaskets we know that are blown. So I'm going to get into some coveralls, and we're going to go check that out next. So a time lapse of us pulling it out. We're going to break it down now, see what's wrong with it, and we'll do another time lapse and get back to the problems after we tear it down. All right, we got this all broken down. Looks like we've got a couple compromised head gaskets. We've got no compromising of the oil or any of the other parts I could see. So it looks like there's a head gasket issue on both sides. So I think what we're going to do is clean it up, get the heads resurfaced, put it back together, and see how she chooches. So yeah, we'll show you some B-roll of the cylinders and all the stuff that looks good. Do another time lapse when we put it back together and we get all the parts done. But that's it for now for the Subaru Impreza wagon.